Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Solo Ads, the perfect way to showcase the uniqueness of your community to the world. Today, we're going to talk about how solo ads can be used to promote your affiliate program and highlight the amazing features and benefits that your program offers. So, let's dive in. Solo ads are short, engaging, and creative advertisements that focus on a specific product or service, while also highlighting the unique selling points of the merchant you're promoting. They are a great way to capture the attention of your audience and provide them with a valuable incentive to take action. Now, let's talk about how you can use solo ads to promote your affiliate program and showcase the uniqueness of your community. By creating solo ads that focus on the local offering, you can uncover lesser-known places, attractions, or local businesses that your audience may not have known about. By showcasing the uniqueness of your community, you can help your audience connect with local businesses and create lasting memories. One great example of a solo ad that highlights the uniqueness of a community is a travel solo ad. In this ad, a traveler embarks on a journey to explore the local landmarks, local cuisine, and local culture. Throughout the ad, the traveler interacts with locals and experiences the beauty and charm of the community. By showcasing the local attractions and businesses, the ad creates a sense of immersion for the audience, making them feel like they're actually visiting the destination. Another great example of a solo ad that promotes an affiliate program is a solo ad for a gym membership. In this ad, a local personal trainer highlights the unique features of the gym, such as the state-of-the-art equipment, the friendly staff, and the variety of classes available. By focusing on the benefits of the gym membership, the ad emphasizes the value of taking care of one's physical and mental health in a supportive community. To create a successful solo ad, it's essential to know your audience and the unique selling points of your program. By understanding the needs and preferences of your target audience, you can create solo ads that resonate with them and drive positive results. In conclusion, solo ads are a fantastic way to promote your affiliate program and showcase the uniqueness of your community. By creating engaging and immersive ads that highlight the local offerings and benefits, you can help your audience connect with local businesses and create unforgettable experiences. So, don't miss out on the opportunity to showcase the uniqueness of your community and promote your affiliate program to the world. Use solo ads to your advantage and watch your business thrive.